How to sign up for Costco account. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. Here we go. At the very top you can see the search box. Over there type in costco.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now over here you will find this option of sign in or register. You have to click on this option. Now from this page you can easily sign into your Costco account if you already have an account. In order to sign up for Costco account, you'll need to click on this option of create account. Click on it. Now you have to fill these to create account. First you need to type in your email address and then you have to generate password for your Costco account. Your password must include the following: use between 8 and 16 characters, include at least one lowercase and one uppercase letter, include at least one special character, does not contain blank spaces or the following special characters, and include at least one digit. After your password matches, you can confirm your password. Now scroll down. Over here you will find this option for membership number. If you have got it, you can just type in over here. In the case you don't have your membership number, you can click on this option, where can I find my membership number, to get it. Likewise, you have to check in for this option. Yes, I would like to receive emails about special promotions and new product information from Costco. Costco will not rent or sell your email address. By creating an account, you agree to Costco.com terms and conditions of use. After you fill all these, you can click on this option of create account. With that, your account will be created. So this is how you can sign up for a Costco account. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.